In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check eBay sales history for sellers. If you want to review your past sales on eBay, the good news is that it's very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to your order history and how to adjust the time period so you can view the sales information you need. To begin, sign into your eBay seller account and look toward the top area of the page. From there, click on Sell. This takes you into the seller section of eBay, where you can manage listings, orders, and other account activity. If you sell regularly, this is the main area you'll use to keep track of your business activity. Once you're in the seller area, move your cursor over orders. You don't need to click right away. Just hover over it so the menu appears. This is useful because eBay organizes order-related information inside this section, and hovering lets you quickly access the specific page you need. When the drop-down menu opens, click on All Orders. This will bring you to the page where eBay displays your complete order activity within the available date range. This is the main place to check your sales history, review completed orders, and look back at previous transactions. After the page loads, you'll usually see that eBay is showing your last 90 days of orders by default. That's helpful for a quick recent overview. But if you're trying to check an older sale or review a different time frame, you'll want to change the date filter. Look for the period option on the page. From there, you can select a custom date range that better matches what you're looking for. This is especially useful if you're doing bookkeeping, checking past sales performance, confirming older transactions, or comparing sales across different periods. If you don't see the order you expect right away, the first thing to check is the selected period, since the default 90-day view may not include it. And that's it. To check eBay sales history for sellers, go to Sell, hover over Orders, click All Orders, and then adjust the period filter, if needed, to view a custom date range. Once you know this path, it becomes a fast and reliable way to review your eBay sales whenever you need to.